What are you doing, Kit? So, hello guys! I am here. I will show you the kits. And what are you doing? Why do you always have to sniff every... There was people in there, wasn't it? Weren't it? Yep. Kits. What are you doing? Oh my goodness. Doing... Honey, do I need to... And hello Kit, this is Zebra. And when you saw her fighting with her sister, that was Ball. This is, I don't know how to say it in English, but oh hi, not again. Did you got stuck up there? Did you literally got stuck up there? Wait. I need to put. And I saved the kit. There's no more kit up there. The kit is right here. Yeah. And his name is White Nose. Hold on, maybe later I will introduce you because I have no idea where they are. There's one there. Her name is Starry and Bolt. He is the absolute devil. He killed 3 kids. Have no idea where this blood came from. No idea. And he's the absolute devil. The cat, I don't remember her name, but she's a good one. Do you want to hear the story of why he became a devil, the Bolt? So, yeah, I will start now. So long ago, there was one cat named Rose. She gave birth to beautiful kids. And one of the kids got missing because of the dog named Bolt. So, because one day we found the cat, we brought her in. She was hissing at her brother. Then they fought. We had to break them apart to be able to be safe. Then she ran, but we caught her. We let her stay at our home. She didn't have anywhere to stay. And because she didn't have anywhere to stay, she stayed with us. The story ended when we fed her and we let her go. She didn't remember her grandchildren because she hasn't been there to see them. And when we let her go, she ran. Then the dog followed her and bit her. That's why he got the name Evil Dog named Bolt. And it all started with this story I will tell you right